Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore renovation scopes using Houzz Pro, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Houzz Pro account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the Projects tab. Select the project you want to work on. In the project overview, look for the Renovation Scopes section. Click on Renovation Scopes to access the existing scopes for that project. To restore a previously archived renovation scope, locate the Archived Scopes option. Click on Archived Scopes to view all archived items related to the project. Find the scope you wish to restore from the list. Once located, select the scope. You will see a Restore option appear. Click on the Restore button to bring the scope back to the active list. After restoring, return to the main Renovation Scopes page. Check to confirm that the scope now appears in the active section. If needed, edit the restored scope by clicking on it. Make any necessary adjustments or updates to the information. Be sure to save your changes before exiting. Finally, revisit the project overview to ensure all scopes are properly organized. You have successfully restored the renovation scope using Houzz Pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.